Today we will see how to search Scopus index journals on scopus.com website. Let's open the browser. Okay, so this is the scopus.com, the Scopus website. Okay, so you can see all this much of information over here. All this bulk of information is not useful for us. We have to first go to the sources, this area, sources. After we have reached this area, sources, we can also try to search by subject area as it is showing over here. Okay, by title, by publisher, by ISSN. So suppose we want to find it through subject area. Here it has come, the subject area. Since this video is specially for arts and humanities area, so over here we will have to just check mark these arts and humanities areas. Depending on your paper that you are writing, you can choose over here. For instance, language and linguistics, literature and literary theory, history of philosophy of science, philosophy, religious studies, and there are other subject areas also. So go through all the areas and see whichever is applicable to your paper's scope or your article's area. Software, decision science, dentistry, earth, social sciences, earth and planetary sciences is there, economics, energy, engineering, environmental, health, multidisciplinary. So multidisciplinary will be good because these days the trend is interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary type of research that is done at the level of MPhil and PhDs. So multidisciplinary also you can check, right? And then social sciences, especially those study English, their research also intersects with social sciences, so you can check relevant areas here also. For instance, cultural studies and gender studies, linguistics and language. This way, once you have check marked the subject area, then you have to apply it. If you're writing your article especially in the English studies, okay, English studies, language, literature, okay, so language and linguistics, literature, literary theory, philosophy will do, multidisciplinary, cultural studies, gender studies, linguistics and language. So all these area might be applicable to English studies people. Modern language journal, and then over here you can go to next pages. These are all those journals. Language teaching research, language learning and technology, studies in second language, International Journal of Transgenderism. Suppose your article focuses on gender, so this journal, Gender and Society, will be applicable to you. So you click here on Gender and Society and it will open the details of this journal. Now the most important information that you need to read about this is that Scopus coverage years from 1987 to present, which means that this journal, Gender and Society, which is published by Sage, has been indexed by Scopus from 1987 to the present, which means even today. Then you click journal homepage over here, okay, and now this will lead you to Gender and Society journal homepage. And now over here you need to check all the details, you need to read all about this journal. So maybe you can go to the menu. In the menu you can go to journal info. In journal info there are aims and scope. So this aim and scope will tell you about whether your article is covered by this journal or not. Since you are going to submit to this journal, for instance, so all the submission guidelines are over here. So these guidelines are very important because according to these guidelines you will be required to format your paper. For instance, it is giving you the format, 9,000 words are required, abstract should be 150 words, right? So all the information is on the journal page itself. right? So you can, this way you can choose your journal from Scopus. Okay, thank you.